lesson, The Role of Management, introduces key concepts and importance of management in organizations and society. It discusses the following main ideas. 1. Definition and role of management. Management organizes economic resources systematically to produce goods and services. Managers are crucial in transforming resources like land, labor, capital, and enterprise into production and value. 2. Performance and responsibilities. Effective management requires competence, integrity, and performance, which include actions and results. Good managers drive quality and success in competitive economies. 3. Importance of management. Economic and social development rely heavily on effective management. Management creates systems to optimize resources and reduce inequalities, such as between rich and poor or urban and rural areas. 4. Cultural and global perspectives. Effective management depends on cultural readiness and values. Examples include Japan's success in integrating management practices learned from Western countries. 5. Historical and theoretical context. The rise of modern management aligns with Western beliefs about improving life through organized resource management. Peter Drucker, regarded as the father of management, emphasized the role of management in economic and societal progress. 6. Development formula. Development requires savings, investments, and management. Lack of management, rather than resources, is often the reason for underdevelopment. 7. Management as a core resource. It is considered the key to human potential and economic progress, rather than simply relying on natural or financial resources. This foundational lesson establishes management as both a discipline and a practice vital for organizational and societal success.